Before we get started, if you've been liking this series or the Jeep build, just go ahead and hit the like button from now before we even get started on the video. So now that I have the door panels finally bonded onto the vehicle, I'll be working on trying to get these little knickknacks out of the way. We got the door handles and stuff that needs to be installed. We have the door popper kit that needs to finish installing on the vehicle. You got these little things that are sitting around. This is air lines for the air suspension that I'm going to be putting in. In this video, we're going to go ahead and start installing finish installing the door poppers on the rear doors and getting the door handles situated where they need to be and getting all these things out of the way and on the car itself so I could clear out some room on my workbench. Alright, so I got an opportunity to get a welding machine. I'll go ahead and start cutting out this little pocket. All right, so this is the pocket. It's a little offset. I have to grind this down so I can make it flush.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain.
Alright, so this is the progress I got so far. Just gotta do a little bit more body work to it. Got a little nicks and knacks here and there. The autofocus. Little nicks and knacks. You know what I mean? I gotta come in here and still put in some more body filler. But overall, looking good. That's notched out. Got the other side notched out. Over here needs body work too. You can see these holes are from the filler. That's what that is from. That's not the welds, even though the welds was crappy. That is from the filler though. But yeah, so I'll continue filling up and knocking this out, trying to get it as smooth as possible. I mean, it doesn't have to be 100%. It's gonna be covered, but still want it to look good, of course. And also to be waterproof, so make sure I clean it up. Everything is feathered out and smooth, and looks kind of factory-ish. So tomorrow, cut that on, do some body work, finish with this door pocket. All right, so I'm pretty much finished with the door. I'm gonna do all the little details off camera and finish up this project. Pretty finished with it. So if you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and hit the like button down below and leave a comment, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.